Hello and welcome to this video on how to upload videos on OnlyFans on PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser, and when you open the web browser you just have to see on the top there will be a search bar and type OnlyFans and press enter in a keyword. After that the search result will be shown to you. You just have to click on the OnlyFans search result, and after that this interface is shown to you in order to compose the post. As you can see in this part in the middle, that is on the top, there is a compose a new post where you can add quiz or add poll or add media, and you can just add media, compose the post, and you can describe about the post, and you can just post it by clicking on the post button that is right there. But in order to upload any media, firstly you need to add a payment card system, and when you have successfully added a payment card system, then you can upload videos on OnlyFans on PC. So this is how you can easily upload videos on OnlyFans on PC. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.